everyone, it's Monday and it is 4:30 in the morning. I'm heading up to help Chris up in Grafton, that we passed Grafton today, up near McLean. It's about 20 minutes past Grafton, so it's about an hour and 20-minute drive up here. So I'm leaving early. Concrete's at 6:30. It's only me and him, 12:06. Pray for me that it's a good day. Should be alright. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get up there. Come here. 6:07. Oh, cool.
The destination is on your right. Arrived.
I'll take it off, yeah? Okay, Mr. Whippet, yeah.
Hey.
Hey, mate, how you been?
Oh, how are you doing?
Fucking good.
It's good, hey. How's your weekend?
Really good, man. Went and met my twin brother's little daughter.
Oh, cool. Oh, you got a twin, do you?
I don't have twins yet.
I got a twin sister.
Do you?
Yeah.
Are you older or younger?
Like older by like a minute.
Yeah, I'm older by 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Sick.
That's
You're
cool.
a twin too, eh?
Yeah.
That's how we get along, brother.
That's it, eh? Oh, this is cool. This is a good little job, Luke.
Perfect, isn't it, mate?
It's a nice little one, yeah. Morning.
G'day, young fella.
Morning.
How you going?
Morning.
You got a GoPro on your head.
Yeah.
This is Kat.
Hi, Tom.
Hey, Kath.
How are you?
All right.
Craig, how you going?
Hey, Craig. How you doing? Concrete here. Alright, first truck done. How long have you been here for?
Nearly 4 years.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's a nice spot.
Yeah, it's good. Nice and quiet.
Yeah. Alright. Nice, Lucy. Thank you. Thanks for helping us, hey.
Easy, bro. Goes around, comes around. Lovely, mate.
Thanks, bro. Hey, Craig, can you pass me that laser, please? The stick?
I'll make a bit of money. These are.
Thank you. Cheers.
Very great. Now I get to go home and spend the day with my son.
That's good, eh?
Yep. That's what I worry about.
So boxing's height there.
Yeah, mate. Boxing height there, mate.
Yep.
Got to get you nice and level and work back so I can pump it up for you. Get this piece of shit out of your road. Yeah. Oh, sometimes I've got to charge someone to hold the pipe. Hold the hose too. Line job. Yeah, line.
Four guys standing around.
Well, the difference is, Craig, this job here, Luke says, I'll come by myself, work a bit harder. Yeah. I'll save the extra money. Save the extra bit of money. He's doing you a favour, you know? Doing you something, yeah.
No, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about Richie Carter.
No, I'm not. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Wow.
Get away from his car.
What's that? Last little bit. Read my mind, eh? Read my mind?
Yeah.
I said, that's it. Alright. 12 by 12 is in. Just about. I'm just going to finish screening off my bag. Wow, that's alright, eh? No worries. I've put a couple of shovels in. I put about...
Not good, eh?
Nice. That went in good, Chris.
That's when you get satisfaction.
What's that, sorry?
That's when you get job satisfaction. When it's flat.
Ah, good.
But you sort of know you're not right.
Bleeding a bit, isn't it?
Hey?
It's bleeding a bit though, isn't it?
Yeah, let it bleed.
I suppose it's good though in this sort of weather. It's not going to sit, is it? Oh, good. Screed this out. That's right, yeah. Luke done a good job just by jumping on the rake and helping us.
Yeah.
Thanks, Luke. I'm going to go get a cold drink, bro.
See you
I'll see you
Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah, cheers, man. No, I'm coming back. I'm just going to get... Do you want a cold drink?
No, but we can
just let me
make
know,
you a
Tom, what
coffee
time
or
you want
something.
concrete?
I think it's like 8 o'clock or something.
Easy way, mate, and I'll
I've got some cola in the fridge.
Oh, yeah, that'll do.
Yeah.
Is that all right?
Yeah, of course not.
Yeah, I might as well just stay. Then, Chris. Only if that's okay. Okay, only because I got type 1 diabetes as well, so I can keep my sugars up.
Oh, do you?
Yeah,
Right.
didn't you know that?
I didn't know that, Tom.
No.
I imagine the slower it dries, the better it would be.
Yeah, yeah.
To a point.
This will snap on us.
Yep.
In about 2-3 hours. It's going to go bang quickly.
Yeah.
The spot's bleeding. It's just had that feel about it this morning. Maybe it had heat in it. I don't know what it was.
You reckon it'll be that sort of real sandiness about it?
Sandy.
Yeah, you know how like the other day that stuff was real sandy? Is that like what wholesome stuff's like?
Depends. 25-20 is normally okay, but actually I just felt the concrete then, Tom, it's still cold.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you feel it with your fingers.
Oh yeah, it's still cold, isn't it?
It's not going to snap.
No.
I said it had that feel like it was going to snap, didn't it?
Yeah, when we were putting it in, I thought, oh,
But that's got it. That hasn't got any heat in it yet.
They put stuff into it to slow it down, don't they?
Yeah.
Actually, he's done it. Each day they check the weather. Yeah. And he did say to me he's got a small amount of retarder in this.
Yeah.
So.
Well, it could come out pretty sunny.
Yeah.
Any minute in the next hour.
We'll probably just have a good day then.
Yeah.
Yeah, it won't be rush. It's nothing worse when you're actually rushing and because you know you got to get into that second gear, and if you stop, you'll start falling behind. Stripping out some of these pegs that are in the concrete. You leave them too hard, they set.
You always taught you do the job properly or piss off.
Yep.
That was a good thing to learn.
Oh, that's right. I still got my drink there. Thank you, though.
Do you want me to bring that drink over?
If you don't mind, yeah.
If you want.
Thank you. Thanks, Craig. Going. On the edge of through that there. Oh, thank you. Do you know where that other edger is?
What do you mean, edger?
Oh,
Yeah, it's on the front of it.
oh, it's just there.
Yes.
Cool. Starting to go to a real sandy mix.
Yep.
Thanks for that. Oh, so the edge is like on a stick. After I go around, you want me to start taking the boards off?
Yeah, when we're around, yeah.
No worries. Yeah. Look at this.
Still a bit up this side when we get there. Just the moment that got on the knife.
Yeah, just snapped, eh? Because look at that, like that's the edger that went through there and it doesn't even fit. That did just go down. Nice.
One little hole won't close up there.
Yeah, wow.
We're going to be able to do it.
That's good. At least that's a good thing, isn't it? Yeah, that just went. Even them rebates, Chris, they just went bang by the time I got back to them. I was worried about this, but I suppose you'll be able to clean it with a sponge there, won't you?
You know the one thing you did do that I don't do?
What's that?
But you ran around the extra time with the edger.
Oh, would you rather just... I didn't know what you wanted,
Yeah,
so I
what
wasn't...
I do, I generally do that when I take the boards off. I run around with the sponge,
Okay.
and it just saves that time, you know.
Instead of just hitting it once or twice with the edger and that's
In the
all?
beginning and that's it, yeah.
Okay, no, at least I know now.
Yeah, well, what it does, it speeds you up, and it gives you the chance to just work on the edges that you see, because when this board comes off, just run the sponge around there.
And you tidy it up anyway. All right, at least I know that anyway. Because I suppose each different guys are different, aren't they?
Yeah.
So no,
Well,
that's
for
good.
me, it's just efficiency.
Yep. No, that's good.
See, all these corners actually get covered.
Yep.
I'm nearly done actually. I just got another time.
Oh, cool. Well, all that's done, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, no worries.
Start tapping the boards off.
There's more.
What'd you say? No. Together.
Everyone achieves more.
Yep, that's it, isn't it?
Good for us to see if we've got a couple of guys too. Just asking, you know what teamwork stands for?
Mm. Yep, wherever you want, even if you want to go up there, wherever. I'd just go even, oh yeah, wherever, it doesn't really matter, we can, I'd go just there.
Yep.
Thank you. If you grab that end, yep. Looks good. Oh no, did that pop an edge? Did that pop it there? Let me get an edger. Wait there, I'll get an edger. Alright, sorry about that. I fixed it.
Hey?
I fixed it. It happens every now and then.
You got 60mm covering it anyway, by the time you put the sheet and that other long bit.
Yeah, but you know, it just looks nicer. It looks nicer, you know, when it's... Okay, yep. Hey Craig, do you want to just get ready? Yep. Right there. Right there, whoa, whoa. Yep, go. Good. Nice work.
I'll fix it.
Thank you.
Just move it away.
Yeah. I don't think it'd matter anyway. Oh, alright, cool. What do you want me to do? Just grab it?
Grab it as I come
Alright.
There we go.
Oh, that's good. Oh. Whew. Bit of a mission.
No?
Bit of a mission, isn't it?
Yeah. What we got then? It's only 11:30.
That's good.
Yeah.
Whew. Alright, that is us. There's the slab over there. Done. It was about 12 o'clock. An hour and a half home, I suppose. But that's good. Good. Alright, I'm done. It is 12:43. We sort of hung around and talked a little bit there. About an hour and 20-minute drive back home. Oh, Chris just wanted me to stop in and see his wife, so I said I'd follow him into Grafton and stop in and look at a driveway in Karora and then relax. At least it wasn't too hot. That concrete did go bang. But anyway, some days it's nice just being the guy, just, I don't know, going around doing the edges, not stressing about the helicopter or anything. So it was good, and you know, praise God for that it went smooth and didn't get out of control, because you know, it can get out of control really quick, and you know, you can lose slabs where there's only two guys, you know, but you know, the glory to him. He's our, you know, his provision over us, and I'm always thankful for the Lord. So I just, yeah, I'm just thankful, Lord Jesus, and I just pray that in your almighty name. God bless everyone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be back at McLean driveway prepping up.